Did you know that you've never actually touched anything in your entire life? Not your phone, not another person, not even the ground beneath your feet. Everything you think you're touching is actually repelling you through invisible electromagnetic forces. Here's why. Atoms are mostly empty space. At the center is a tiny nucleus and electrons orbit around it. But electrons have a negative charge, and the electron clouds surrounding different atoms repel each other. So when your finger approaches a table, the electron clouds push against each other. You never actually make contact. This electromagnetic repulsion is incredibly strong relative to atomic scale. If atoms were the size of sports stadiums, the gap between your finger and that table would still be enormous. The force is so powerful that you can never compress atoms together. You're always kept at a microscopic distance. What you interpret as touch is actually your nervous system detecting pressure from this electromagnetic force pushing back against you. When you feel something solid, you're really sensing the strength of the repulsive force between electron clouds. It's all an illusion created by physics. And here's the craziest part. This means nothing in the universe ever truly touches anything else. Every interaction, every collision, every hug, it's all just electromagnetic forces pushing and pulling across invisible gaps. You're constantly surrounded by a force field that keeps you from ever making direct contact with the world. Mind blown? Want to discover more mind-bending facts about physics and the universe? Head over to Sikho.ai and unlock your curiosity.